If you need to resend a survey in SurveyMonkey, this quick guide will walk you through the simplest way to get your survey link back out there fast. Whether you're following up with people who missed the first email, sharing it with a new group, or just need to republish the link, this process is very straightforward once you know where to click. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Once you're on the SurveyMonkey homepage, sign into the account that contains the survey you want to resend. After you're logged in, you'll want to go to your survey dashboard and open the survey you want to share again. If you have more than one survey, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one so you don't send the wrong link. Next, click on the survey itself. This opens the survey editor or the survey overview area where you can manage the settings, collect responses, and publish your survey link. From here, look for the option that says Publish Survey. This is the step that makes your survey ready to send out again. If your survey was already published before, this area is where you can access the live link and sharing options. Click Publish Survey to continue. Once the survey is published, SurveyMonkey will generate the share options for your survey. Now look for the copy button. Clicking copy will copy the survey link to your clipboard, which means you can instantly paste it into an email, message, chat, or any place you want to resend the survey. This is especially useful if you want to reach respondents again without creating a brand new survey. After you copy the link, simply paste it wherever you want to share it. You can send it to individuals, add it to a follow-up email, or post it in a team channel if you're collecting internal feedback. If you want to resend the survey to a different audience, you can keep using the same link as long as your survey is still active and collecting responses. A quick tip here, always double check that the survey is still open before sending it out again. If responses are closed, people may not be able to access it, so it's worth verifying that everything is ready before you resend. Another helpful tip is to preview the survey link after copying it, just to make sure it opens correctly. That small step can save you from sending broken or outdated links, and that's really all there is to it. Go to SurveyMonkey, open your survey, click Publish Survey, and then click Copy to grab the survey link and share it again. It's a fast and easy way to resend your survey without starting from scratch. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.